Alright, Leah's ready for box 2. Box 2. She is going crazy over here. Crazy Kittyans. She usually gets 2 autos right off the bat. We'll see. She keeps the same trend. Yes, she does.
Kelly Johnson.
Kelly Johnson. What position? Is that first? I don't know.
Second base.
Second base. I was close. He plays next to first base.
17 or 75?
25?
75.
75. Oh, is that a hit? 2 hits right off the bat.
Nick Blackburn.
Nick Blackburn, number to 50?
41 of 50.
41 of 50, and look at those patches, folks. Is that 3 color, Leah? What is that?
That's 3 color.
3 color patches. Contact Leah at nothappy@aol.com. Not KNOTT happy HAPPY.
Oh man.
Oh man, is that a weight box?
Jonathan Van Every.
Ooh, Jonathan Van Every. That is nice. She may get an auto in every pack. That's just how Leah does it.
Now comes the decoys.
Leah always have to be negative. So 3 hits, you guys could turn it off if you want, or you can sit through with the commons with the rest of us. That's what a true box breaker would do. I think you're going to get offers for that patch auto. That's a nice one.
Maybe I want to keep it.
Okay, well, I'm just letting you know. Probably have Mom sell it in South Dakota. It's close to Minnesota. Ooh, who's that?
Lou Gehrig.
Lou Gehrig. Is it autographed?
No.
I was just kidding. Who's that?
Bill Dickey.
Bill Dickey. What position did he play? First base?
I don't know.
Doesn't say on there?
Doesn't say on the front.
Oh man, that's crazy.
George Pipgras.
Ooh, never heard of him. They need to have the Juan Benitez one. I'll buy that one.
Red Roll.
I wonder if they have a Juan Benitez one. He played on the Yankees.
I can't believe you're still into Juan Benitez after all these years.
Best player ever. Juan Benitez. Look him up. Not truly the best, but he did very well late in his career. And he did win a Gold Glove Award too. Man, you just like to get your stuff out of the way, huh? You don't mess around.
Just trying to be fast, so it's not important.
You know what you should do? You should go to card shops and be like, I want the top 2 packs on every SP Authentic box.
Yeah, I think that's what I'll do from now on.
Yeah, just make sure they just open it though, because they could have put whatever. But just I just want these top 2. So can you open all these boxes? And I just want the top 2 in every box. Are you hoping to get a fourth hit or just another Yankee legend thing?
A fourth hit would be great.
Do they put the Sarah Palins in here?
Supposedly.
Anybody with Sarah Palins, contact Leah at nothappy, KNOTT happy at AOL.com. Or she likes the George Bushes and a Ronnie Reagan too. So you guys get them cards. She will trade you. Has anyone contacted you yet? About
I haven't
cards?
checked my email in like 2 weeks.
Someone could have been offering you like $1 million for that Melvin Mora. Where did you put that Melvin Mora?
On the coffee table.
Sarah, you should bring that Melvin Mora over.
Melvin Mora?
On the coffee table, the one Leah just got.
Yeah, let me wash my hands.
And that's box 2. There it is. Nice.